Good evening, my lovely people. So I recorded some clips of Moon that I'm going to put up on another video because it's going to be chill time with Moon and nature. But some of the clips you are going to see in this video. But I'm just going to start out with talking a little bit about this beautiful solar eclipse in Gemini that we have today. It might have been yesterday for some of you, or it might be tomorrow, depending on where you are. But the most important is that I'm talking about the energy that it brings, the energy that you are opening up for, what's coming into your life. I'm going to take some cards after that we are going to look into. I am sitting outside so that you guys can hear nature, the birds, because I know how relaxing it is. Now that we have this beautiful eclipse, it is a big energy shift. It's always when something changes in our life for the positive. It's a change that we have been waiting for. You have gone through transformation. You have dropped from your head space down to your heart space. So now you're rising your vibration. You are using a new untapped energy. Oh my god, wait. Look. Hey Sheepy, come here. Come here. Oh my god, can you guys believe that the universe is giving us a Sheepy? Sheepy! Let's try to see if we can. Oh my god, people. Okay, we're going slow. I'm so happy I can share this with you guys. Look at them, happy and free. Normally they run away. I can't believe that we can get so close to them. People are so close. Well, they clearly don't care about what I have. It's not cats. Well, there's clearly no electricity in it. They're like, yeah. Meh. Bye. Alright, we are back again. I see ants crawling here. They have really been following us the past days. It is nice. The sun is shining and it's windy, so it doesn't feel too hot. But yeah, I totally got away from what I was speaking about now. But there is a lot of strong energies. And I really have a feeling that the cards that we are going to pull, the cards that's going to come up for you later, is really going to be very, very, very telling of what's waiting you, the changes. And this solar eclipse energy is really going to be your opportunity to start fresh. And everything that you're starting now is going to come from a heart space. It's going to be so easy for you. You're going to feel like things are just falling into your lap from very unexpected and maybe even expected sources. The luck is just going to know where you are, no matter where you are. No matter if it's daytime or if it's nighttime. No matter if you feel sad or if you feel happy. There's so many new possibilities waiting for you now. Your ideas are just flowing. You are way more creative. And if you are going through a time where you don't feel creative, try to tap into your heart space. Open up your heart. And you open up your heart by allowing the emotions to come through. I have been going through this the past weeks, and it is very, very emotional. It's an emotional time. It's a healing time. And nothing is wrong with going through this. Nothing is wrong with you feeling or being vulnerable. Because it's actually a part of your manifestation. It's a part of these new beginnings. It's a part of you opening up your heart chakra. This is the way that you know that your heart chakra is open, when you feel emotional. And if you allow the world to see these emotions, when you talk about openly how you feel. No time for hiding anymore. And with you being creative, you are inspiring a lot of people. With just the light that you have inside of you, the light that you shine out, with what you create, what you speak, because Gemini is all about speaking, right? Enjoy these sweet rewards. And as I said, this is timeless. You can see this whenever it comes to you. You might even see this a week after we have had the new moon solar eclipse. It's still going to resonate with you. Because this is for you. This is not random. And now that we have the Mercury in Gemini in retrograde, it is helping us to actually look inside and really find out what it is that we want. It makes us look deeper into our communication with other people, in our relationships, communication when it comes to the universe, our manifestations, communication to ourselves, our higher self, our spirit guides. And it teaches us lessons when it comes to being patient, when it comes to just smiling and laughing if something goes wrong. Because again, technology can be messy and you can feel misunderstood. You can even be in a situation where there is a lot of misunderstandings with a person. There is a lot of Gemini energy around us right now. The North Node is in Gemini. So if you have your North Node in Gemini, look closer at your communication skills, because it's probably linked together with what it is that you're supposed to do in this lifetime, with your life purpose. Okay, I'm just moving a little bit more into the shadow. So we have Neptune in Pisces. Neptune is your heart energy. It is all about your emotions, which again comes into this aspect of us opening up our heart chakra, right? We are feeling our emotions. Pisces is a very emotional, it's a very psychic energy. My mom, who passed away in January, was a Pisces. I have a brother who is a Pisces. So there's so many healing aspects when it comes to this Pisces energy. Which is interesting, because after my mom passed away, I actually learned to open up my heart. So if you have a Pisces in your life, what is this Pisces person teaching you? And then some of you are like, well, this Pisces actually broke my heart. This is a nasty Pisces. Well, what did this person still teach you? What did you learn from this person? And it can be someone who even has Pisces in their rising, or moon, or Venus, or Ceres, or Juno, wherever. You can even have Pisces somewhere. I know that I have Pisces in Jupiter, and Jupiter is in Pisces at this moment. So I feel this energy. It's a lucky energy. It's a dreamy energy. It's begging you and it's asking you to really dream and let your dreams come true Everything is aligned. This Gemini energy is all about our head. It's all about what we think. It's all about what we say. So these two energies, right, dropping from the head space into the heart. You can feel this energy. I will guarantee that inside of you, even if you are someone who's a bit sad and you have to dig for it, you can feel that these new beginnings are coming. You can feel that your heart chakra is opening. You might even be a little back and forth with this energy. You're a little unsure, should I stay in my mind space? Should I follow my heart? Can I trust my heart? Can I trust my mind? Am I too much in my mind? And we are learning to control our mind right now in the most beautiful way. If there's something that this new moon solar eclipse is teaching us, it's to trusting our intuition. It's this gut feeling. It's the heart space. We trust our logical mind. We find this balance, this mix between it, which is so beautiful. And I feel that when we come to October, when we come to Libra energy or Libra season, there's something you have figured out completely. There's a big decision that you are in need of making, and a lot of you guys don't even know what this is yet. This can be a big move, this can be a marriage, this can be relationship, this can be something about kids, this can be many things. You will know if you just let your heart be open. With this Neptune square energy, there can be disappointments in something. I feel it's something that has happened the past month, 2 months maybe even. It might even be something that happened long ago. There might be someone who betrayed you, there might be someone who stole from you, someone who broke your heart, someone who made you sad, or someone who disappeared from your life. It can be a loss, it can be a misunderstanding, it can be many things. And this beautiful energy that we are in with the solar eclipse is handing you an opportunity to see and to realize, what is it that I'm telling myself when it comes to the old stories? Is it true what you have been telling yourself for the past 10 years? Is it true what someone else is telling you? Someone else is maybe even yelling at you. If there's someone accusing you of something. It can even be your ego stepping too much in. Again, headspace. You know the truth of what is happening in your life. Are you eating the right food? Are you drinking enough water? Are you maybe drinking too much of something? Sugary drinks, alcohol. Are you smoking too much? Are you living in the right environment? Do you have the right friends? Is this friend that you haven't spoken to the past 2 weeks the right one for you? Is there maybe a coworker who is triggering you? Are you happy in your marriage? Are you there for your kids? I mean, there's so many questions floating around. Or maybe you have someone in your life who are going through all this. Someone that you can help. Later this month, we also have Jupiter going retrograde. So with this Pisces energy, again, tap into your feelings. Realize these things so that they can be released. So if there is something that you have overdone, again, it can come down to overeating or, self-hate. It can come down to a lot of things. You want to make it fit into your situation. But it's going to help you get back on track. You are moving into balance, which is the most magical energy ever. And I feel with that, I'm going to take my cards and we are going to see what the universe and the new moon solar eclipse in Gemini has in store for us. So we are in the shadow. I think that's a little bit more appropriate. And I'm just putting the amethyst on. We also have a lovely citrine that we're going to use. Alright, I think we're all set. So let's see what energy we can get. Right off the bat, on the back of the deck. I hope that everything is in focus. That was a bumblebee or a honeybee. I got it very close, but I don't mind them. Yeah, we have intention, we have playing it safe, and we have healing lights. So, right off the bat, sometimes, yeah, we do have a tendency to play it safe, right? We do have a tendency to being a little on the safe side when it comes to manifestation. I'm just going to put the camera more down, because then I can also see what I'm doing. But yeah, we are playing it safe. And we have the healing light spirit. So the universe is actually showing it the way. And look at the fireworks. I know for myself, fireworks has been a big sign when it comes to moving forward. So I'm just going to take the book so that we can look a little bit more into the meaning. The wind is pushing you. Also, she is fenced in, kind of trapped from, from the gorgeous countryside. Maybe some of you guys want to explore the countryside. You want to move to the countryside. You want to be more in nature. Maybe that is what actually could be very healing for you. For some of you guys, it might be the city. Whatever, close to the water. She's missing out on all the fun. Yeah, she is. Playing it safe by just staying in a job that doesn't make you happy, or in a relationship that might not make you happy, or in a situation with overeating, over drinking, whatever it is, self-hate, because it's something that we have been used to, right? So we just keep doing it because that is safe. That is what we are used to. There is a circumstance, a relationship, or even a place that you are choosing to stay in out of familiarity, inhibition, or self-doubt. You are making the assumption that something similar is predictable and therefore safe. But that's not necessarily the case. In fact, you may actually be limiting yourself and also limiting the joy you could be experiencing in your life. Yeah, keeping yourself a little bit away from what you are actually wanting to experience. I just saw 555 with that, so definitely a sign. We are supposed to explore. We are growing with stepping out of our comfort zone. Let's see what else we can get for you. Oh, this is beautiful. Very, very beautiful, people. So, first of all, we have energy, true love. And notice that she's looking at herself in the mirror. We have red, which is passion, accepting herself. It's just one rose. There's no reflection when it comes to the rose. So you are accepting yourself the way you are. You're accepting love into your heart, which makes perfectly sense with this energy of the new moon, right? It makes absolutely perfectly sense. Events, a creative endeavor. There is something new waiting for you, I'm telling you. Something creative. Something you have waited for. Maybe it's about opening up your own business, or it's about being creative, doing YouTube or painting, playing music. You can also see, again, a little camera down here, so maybe you want to do photography. And look at this. Happy success, consciousness, intuition, and manifestation. Everything is coming true for you now. Absolutely everything is coming true for you. There is a new path waiting for you. Taking steps higher self. I don't think that the message can be any stronger for you. You know what to do. I also see the West universe. Is that what it says? The West? The West? Beautiful. You have listened and you are being rewarded for that. It's interesting because in this crystal ball, because someone actually shared a song with me today. I mean, mentioned the song. I just saw 838 with that from Pink called Crystal Ball. I will put it down in the description box so they can see it, because there might actually be a message for you there. But you are manifesting exactly what it is that you want. For some of you guys, it might be a house, a castle, a vacation house. It could be whatever. Living in a new city or exploring. Yeah. Role play, I heard, so there might be something with role play, like costumes, creating costumes, or taking pictures of that. Don't trap yourself. It's going to be very healing for you to actually jump out there now. It will be so healing. Yeah, it will be so healing. And you deserve all this. You're taking the steps. You're listening to your higher self. And again, we have a heart chakra. And as I mentioned, now I don't know where the feather is, but there was this feather here. So, yeah, you can be proud of all this. Claim this magic in a comment. You are manifesting true love. You're manifesting your dreams and desires. Don't give up. Don't hold yourself back. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this. I hope you guys are going to enjoy this day, or that you did enjoy this magical new moon. If you are in need of a private reading, healing session, or removal of blocks, all information is down below. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! I sit down to lay cards, and I'm greeted by this lovely white feather. If that's not a wonder. The grass needs cutting, but it's so beautiful. Oh, look who the cat dragged in. Hi, Moon! Happy new moon, Moony! Happy new moon! Happy new moon, baby girl! Oh, she's hot today. Let's get a little moon time. I do understand why moon is hot today, because it is very hot. She's been sleeping inside for the most of the day. Sorry, Moon. Not out there, Moony! This is what I don't like, that the road is right out there. He's like, why are you following me today? Moon, we are making a video so people can relax with you. You can hear birds. I don't know what just happened, but this one made a noise when I passed it. Like, I don't know. Like almost like someone, did this. Ah. Oh, I know why. Do you guys see what I see? 575 might be why. It's still here. You're still here, Moony. It's like leave me be. Are you relaxing in the shadow? Why do you want to be so close to traffic? This is Moon's favorite spot. Is it nice cold? We put sand down here. So this is Moon's little relaxation place. You are cream, Moon. You're so adorable. Meow. Look at the tiny sheepies. The little escape artists are there. I found her. The bird is teasing you, Moon, because it's over there. There's two. It's Moon and the two birds. I sat down and immediately Moon just also laid down. She is adorable. Is it cozy, Moony? Oh, that's what she can see. This is the sheepies. Look at her. Well, it's not food, Moon. You know, don't eat them. They are really escapists. Escaping sheepies. Well, I don't think Moon is that interested in the sheepies. But it's funny. Boot. But look at them. Just grassing. Well, maybe the grass is greener here. That is so funny. It's so idyllic today. I don't know what's happening. This new moon energy. And Moon is just chilling out with us. Oh, now she is off. Oh, Moon. What are you doing? What are you up to, Boot? Well, I know that you have a way to get down there or in there, because I have seen it before. She's just a little rebel, a little adventurer. She's like, I don't know what she's so interested in, because there's not really, there's frogs at night and sometimes there is the ducks, but I haven't seen them today. Sheepies are getting closer. Meh. I wonder what I told them. Meh. 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 Oh, she's going for it. Oh my god, this is so hilarious. Oh my god, Moon. Let's see what she's doing. Because it's like a swamp, so I'm not... Moon, what are you doing down there? We are on Moon adventures today. Oh. Are you going for the sheepies? No? Okay, we are apparently sitting down again. Wasn't there any interesting things anyway? Huh? What was that? Yeah, I know. They're just living life. Oh, now you guys can see the bird better. I think the mom's calling you, Sheepies. Yeah, Moon don't want to be a part of this waiting game anymore. Well, okay, so he's just choosing. Well, wouldn't surprise me, it's colder there. There's a car coming. You're such a good kitty cat, Mooney. Thank you guys for spending time with us. The sheepies are like, oh my god. This is the now he's there. What? Moon dislike the sheepies. Moon doesn't like the sheepies. Meh. 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 Moon is really keeping an eye on the sheepies. She's like very protective. Mooney! What did you see now? It's like, yep. Oh, that is so funny. What did you do, Mona? Come scratch it. I know you want to. Sometimes she's laying under.